Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I created another look using the James Charles palette by Morphe. I keep naming it James Charles palette, but it's the Morphe James Charles palette, I guess. But yeah, I used that palette. I wanted to play with a lot of warm tones today because some people might not want to use like the bright colors every time. So I wanted to do something which is a little bit more wearable, even though it's still really dramatic, I guess. But I'm living for it. I used a lot of glitters and hopefully you guys like it too. I just did a live session on YouTube and I'm so happy. It was a lot of fun. I feel like I have the sweetest subscribers ever. It was just really cool to interact with you guys. I will be definitely doing a lot more live sessions in the future. Also, I want to do some live makeup tutorials, so keep an eye out. And yeah, I really like that. I just wanted to share that. So yeah, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do, like always, is primer my eyelids, and I'll be using the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ocher Paint Pot. And I'm applying this using a Sigma Beauty P84 brush. I'm just going to blend this all over my eyelid. I've used many eyeshadow primers, but this one is by far my favorite of all time. And I will definitely keep using this for a long time. So in today's video, I'm going to play with the James Charles Morphe palette, which it has become already one of my favorite palettes. I think it's amazing and I love that it has so many colors. So the color I'm going in with now is this white color, and I'm going to apply this underneath my brow bone. This will make sure that my brow will just look highlighted and it will look more lifted. Also, I feel like when I go in with shades in my crease, it kind of blends more better into my crease towards my brow, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to apply a eyeshadow guard. This will leave me with a very sharp edge and it will catch any eyeshadow fallout. Then now I'm taking this light yellow color and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. To blend this in my crease, I'm taking a very big fluffy brush, which is a Morphe M504. And I'm just going to start blending this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner. And I think I went back in like 2 or 3 times to get like most color pay off. But this eyeshadow blended really easily. I had no problems with applying it whatsoever. Then I'm going in with this orangey color, and this is more of a vibrant orange color. But I'm going to blend it in my crease as well. So since I used that yellowy color in my crease before, it now kind of melts together with that orange shade, and this kind of creates its own color. You can definitely like kind of manipulate some colors by going in with a transition shade first. And this will kind of make the whole color look different, because in the eyeshadow palette it looks super vibrant, but because I went with a yellowy undertoned shade underneath, it will look completely different. And in this case, I really like that because it looks like such a gorgeous, warm, light orangey shade. Now I'm going in with this orangey brown color and I'm going to blend that in my crease as well, starting at my outer V and then slowly blending it up towards my crease part as well. But I focus like mainly at the outer V area. I don't want like too much product to be like straight in my crease. This is just an easy way for if you don't want to like mess up your crease. Like blend most product in your outer V area, and then when there's not like that much product left anymore, you blend it more towards the middle part of your crease. So then I'm going in with this darker shade. Going to do the exact same thing, first applying that at my outer V, and then when there's not that much product left on my brush anymore, I'm going to blend it more towards my crease area. And as you can see, you can kind of see that I went in with light shades first and I went darker and darker. I know this might take some time, but if you want like a very nice graduated, I know you don't even know if that's a word. If you want to get like that really nice transition, you have to go in with a few more shades to get that effect. So now I'm taking this bronzy color and I'm going to use that one for all over my eyelids. And this will be like a base for the glitters that I will apply it later on. So now I switched to using my finger because I feel like that eyeshadow doesn't have like amazing color payoff. So then I went in with the RXY Cosmetics Glitter, which is such a beautiful color. As you can see, I think the glitter has such a beautiful, unique reflect. It's just amazing. So I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids. And I'm sorry if I talk a little bit weird. As some of you may know, I have braces. And for some reason, I feel like today I'm really talking like really slizzy. So I'm sorry for that. I just wanted to mention that just in case you didn't know. You could see it like in my intro, but if you skipped that, you didn't see it. So now I'm going to apply this just all over the eyelid. I kind of blended it up quite high. I wanted this to be a very dramatic, glittery eye look, just because I'm so into glitter lately. And I just really love how it looks. So then I removed the eyeshadow guards and then I cleaned up like the edge of the eyelid with a makeup wipe. So as you can see, I'm not wearing any foundation, or I did apply like some concealer around my brow area, but I'm not really wearing foundation on my face. So it was really easy to do this step. So then I went in with some eyeliner and I used the Maybelline Studio gel eyeliner. So this is just a really handy tip. Like whenever you go in with glitter, I would suggest to first go in with a gel eyeliner. And if you can still see like a little bit glitter peeking through your eyeliner, go on top of it with a liquid liner. I feel like whenever you like wear glitter, definitely apply a few layers of different eyeliners. This will give more dimension to the eyeliner. And yeah, I don't really know how to describe, but this is definitely something that I have experienced by doing like a lot of glitter eyeliner looks, that you have to go in with a lot of eyeliner, because else you will see like the glitters peeking through the eyeliner, and I always feel like that looks kind of messy. So definitely go in with a lot of eyeliner. So now I'm using the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to use that to kind of clean up the wing. This is definitely something I would recommend to do as well, because applying eyeliner on top of glitter can be quite hard. So my line wasn't looking really smooth, so I definitely needed some eyeliner to make it look really smooth. I wanted to say smooked, that's not even a word. I wanted it to be like really snatched. So now I'm going in with this black eyeshadow from that same James Charles palette, using a flat definer brush and trying to press this as close towards my lower lashes as I can. And this way it kind of connects with the liner, as you can see, which I always like to do whenever I go with a gel eyeliner, because if you don't, you have like this gap between your lower lashes and your eyeliner. So I really like to connect it with some black eyeshadow. So then I went in with these shades to blend it all out, and I just keep blending until I was satisfied. Also, when I went in with this orangey color and I blended like all the way underneath my lower lash line, I also went back in one time with a black eyeshadow just to make the transition from that orangey and the black look a little bit more smooth. But this is just something you have to see when you're doing this. Do you need a little bit more of that orange color, or do you need a little bit more of that black? So now for my waterline, I'm taking this Zoeva Karnat Pencil. I'm applying this all the way in my waterline. So dragging it like all the way to my inner corner. This way my waterline looks a little bit more longer than it actually is. This is a really nice trick for if you want your eyes to look really big. Sometimes I feel like it looks a little bit weird on me, but I just wanted to do something different. So then I went in with this light color and I'm going to pop that in the inner corner. And then I went in with some mascara, and I used the MAKEUPGEEK Black Lash Mascara. One of my favorite mascaras. It's really nice because it's super black, and also it makes my lower lashes look really long. Like my upper lashes are super short, so I don't even care. I will go in with fake eyelashes anyway. But for my lower lashes, I really like that one. So now I went in with some fake eyelashes. I'm not really sure what lashes I'm wearing, to be honest. I think they're from my own brand Anytude, but they're not available anymore, so just ignore what I'm doing right now. I just applied some lashes. I didn't went for like super dramatic lashes because I wanted you guys to still see like that glitter all the way over the eyelid. If I would go in with super dramatic lashes, you might not see the glitter anymore. I think that's almost impossible, to be honest. But yeah, this is how it looks with the lashes applied. And then this is the end of the tutorial. I really hope you all enjoy watching today's video. I really enjoy playing with the James Charles palette and doing more of a wearable makeup look. Also, I love the glitter on the eyelid. I applied it a little bit higher than I would normally do it, but I think it makes it look even more sparkly and I'm living for it. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye!
I guess I'll be the first to say it. I haven't felt this good in a while. You tell me I'm the only one that they would all like, but you're the only one that kept me alive. Oh, you were the only one. You were the only one that kept me alive. You were the only